Hindi pa sarado yung issues of accountability ng ating Vice President. Kaya in other words, hindi pa ho siya lusot.
Dun sa statement ni VP Sara, basically, she's saying kaya na pag-uusapan ulit yung impeachment complaint against her. This constitutional mechanism is being dangled once again as a bargaining chip right before the 2026, the passage of the 2026 national budget. To those who continue to exploit the impeachment process, stop hiding behind the language of good governance. I cannot remain silent while the impeachment process is being twisted into a budget-driven racket po.
Well, hindi ko po maintindihan yung statement na yan kasi unang-una sa House level, tapos na po yung budget process. Di ho ba? Kasi nga, magbabaycam na nga. Nasa Senate na. And then during the House proceedings, wala naman mga usap-usapan pa or what. Wala naman akong naririnig noon na i-revive yung impeachment case against her. Ang ano lang is kaya pinag-uusapan yung posible na pag-file uli ng impeachment complaint is dahil nga wala pa tayong naririnig about the impeachment case, whether sa Senate na naka-archive lang o sa Supreme Court na pending yung mga motions for reconsideration. And then, hindi naman natin nakakalimutan, marami ang hindi nakakalimot na nandyan pa yung kanyang accountability, nandyan pa yung mga issues about the misuse of confidential funds and other issues na naging grounds nung impeachment complaint sa kanya. So I don't think it's fair for her to tie up yung issue ng impeachment, possible filing of new impeachment complaint against her sa budget process kasi tapos na nga yung budget process sa House. Ang what remains is the BICAM. So ano pa ang ibig niyang sabihin na naging ano na naman ito, bargaining chip na naman ito, na as I said, at least sa level ko o sa aking mga madalas na nakakausap sa House, wala pa naman during the budget process itself. Wala kaming mga pinag-uusapan about the possible refiling of the impeachment complaint. Pero palagi ho nasa utak namin the fact na hindi pa sarado yung issues of accountability ng ating Vice President. Kaya in other words, hindi pa ho siya lusot.
Do you see this as an attempt to discredit future impeachment complaints or the possible upcoming impeachment complaints this early, parang advanced attempt to discredit it?
Yes, that's a possible reason kung bakit ganyan ang tono ng statement ni VP Sara. Para inuunahan na naman niya. Pero ang malinaw dito ay meron din siya serious issues of accountability. Yun po ang lagi kong sinasabi na hindi pa siya lusot.